Hi, to activate Emergency SOS Sharing on Google Pixel Watch Free, first thing first, press this crown to open list of apps, and here scroll down to find Settings. Now, here we need to find Safety and Emergency tab, and after selecting it, we should scroll a bit down and here pick SOS Emergency. So now you need to be sure that you have enabled emergency gesture. In that case, the switcher will be yellow like mine. If you can see it like that, then simply tap it and now it is turned on. Then you can quickly press the crown 5 times or more to start an emergency SOS. Also, you can scroll a bit down, enable to hear alarm. And also, in emergency services, you can add your own contact by tapping this button and selecting contact from the list. Now let's test it. I'm gonna tap 5 times on this crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, it's working. Obviously, I declined it because I don't want to call emergency services. But just in case, know that you need to press 5 or more times on this crown. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.